Come here.
Hi, good morning. Merry Christmas.
What is this?
Look what Santa brought.
What is this?
Wow.
Oh. What is that? What is that?
What did
was
Santa
that?
bring?
Hey. Oh. What's this? What's this? Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Give him a hug. Give him a kiss. Savannah, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Yeah.
No. What is that, Savannah? Look. Check out that.
Here.
You got.
We'll show you that last.
No. Show it to her. She won't know what it is, but.
Well, that's what I was going to show it to her. Look. It's a fishing rod.
That's to go fishing in Grandpa and Grandma's pond.
This is fun. What is all this, Savannah? What is this, Savannah?
Do you remember this? Yes. You remember this?
Sit her on it.
Alright, look. Sit right here.
Hello. Hello.
Back up.
She's not supposed to remember it. Santa brought it.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit right here. Good God. Look. Hold on to the handles right here. Look. Hold on.
Yeah, rock.
There you go. And rock. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. The bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Good job. Check out this one over here, Savannah. You and
Look, this one right here.
might put her on
Bouncy,
that one
bouncy,
and see if
bouncy,
she'll
bouncy, bouncy.
push her feet with it.
Good job. Good girl.
Can you get on this one, Savannah? There you go. Your foot is just long enough.
On one side.
One side.
Not all the way on
Push.
her feet. Yeah, but if she
Look.
is, it's there.
Yeah, she can probably reach both of them.
Yeah,
If you get on.
Yeah. There you go.
There.
Just barely.
Push.
Just barely.
Push with your feet.
I can't.
She's trying. She'll be around this house by the end of the week.
Turn it. Go.
Got that foot down.
Just like Meemaw dragging that foot.
Go.
Turn it around. Mike, I'm recording.
Well, I want you to record my junk hanging out. Here it comes.
She's gonna watch this one day and go, Mommy, what's Daddy's junk?
Hey.